In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your document perfectly for export, no matter if it's for web or print. Starting off, it's crucial to ensure your document is set up correctly from the beginning. If you're preparing something for digital use, you'll want your color mode to be RGB. This is ideal for anything viewed on a screen. On the other hand, for printed materials, CMYK is the standard because it's designed to align with the inks used by most printers, helping you achieve an accurate color representation in the final print. Alongside this, make sure your resolution is suitable for your intended use. Typically, web graphics should be 72 to 150 pixels per inch, while for print, aim for 300 pixels per inch to ensure everything looks crisp and detailed. Double-check that your layers are organized in a tidy manner, as a well-structured file simplifies your workflow and minimizes errors. Once your setup is confirmed, zoom into your image at 100% to scrutinize it for any unwanted artifacts, alignment issues, or hidden layers that might be lurking. This thorough inspection helps ensure the final output is as clean and polished as possible. Pay special attention to adjustment layers and smart objects, verifying that all looks perfect in their final form, as they can often behave unpredictably when exporting. Before moving forward, save your working document in an editable format like PSD. This is crucial as it gives you the flexibility to make changes in the future if needed without starting from scratch. With that done, consider the best export command for your needs. If you're looking for a straightforward export to common image formats, using the Export As option is usually your best bet. It allows you to customize the format, size, quality, color profile, and metadata all in one go. For quicker outputs, particularly if you're repeating this task often, the Quick Export As option can save you time and streamline your workflow. When setting export options, choosing the right format is key. JPEGs are ideal for photographs or when file size is important. PNGs are the way to go if you require transparency or are working with sharp graphics. For anything print-related or archival purposes, TIFFs and PDFs are recommended as they preserve high quality and layers. It's also important to set your resolution and pixel dimensions correctly, as discussed earlier. For JPEGs, aim for high quality. For PNGs, opt for full 8-bit or 24-bit, and aim for no compression if high quality is paramount. If your file is large with unnecessary layers, consider flattening them or merging where appropriate. Also, ensure any transparency is properly accounted for before exporting to formats that don't support it, like JPEGs. As you finalize, click Export or Save based on your chosen method. Finally, examine your exported file at 100% size to confirm quality, correct color, and sharpness, ensuring there are no surprises like texture loss. Before handing off the file to a client or print service, verify that it matches their specifications in terms of size, format, and color profile. Following these steps promises a seamless transition from digital design to final product.